We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Right-click your surround sound device and then select the Properties option. Click the 5.1 or 7.1 surround sound option, depending on what speakers you have hooked up, and then hit the Test Sound button to begin playing sound through your 5.1 or 7.1 speakers.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.